So I have Seiko watch, and today I will show you how to change battery on this watch. I have already changed battery, but I will do it again to show. To change battery, you need to open this cover, use tool, use bag, and open cover. After opening cover, you can see here's movement and battery. Battery number is 364. As I said, I have already changed battery, but I will show you how to take out battery and put back. So to take out battery, you can use plastic tweezer or you can use wooden stick. You use wooden stick, you lift battery like this. Then you take new battery, put back and push with a little force. But battery is held by this small iron. When you pull, battery goes out. When you push, it locks battery. After changing battery, make sure watch is running. Make sure gasket on place and close cover. So, cover closed, watch running.